and content is king of the new network. But are we living through the death of television? And if we are, should we kill it before it dies on us? Or should we just kill television before it kills us? And if television is going to die, to quote Joey from Friends, how will we know which way to point our furniture? But when we talk about the death of television, what do we mean? The television industry feels itself under threat from a group of emerging mass media technologies, those which are usually and awkwardly described as new or digital, despite the fact that they are no longer new, like me, and that everything is digital, even the things like radio or television, for that matter, which weren't digital in the past. And the industry blames these new digital technologies for a whole host of other ills. The steady decline in audiences, the supposed escalation of copyright infringement, and of course, declining budgets for program making.